Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore the miscellaneous function blocks available in Alsmart Design. Unlike arithmetic or logical operators, these function blocks perform a variety of specialized tasks. Some are used to move data, others manage program flow, while a few are designed for advanced programming using pointers, references, and memory information. We'll start with one of the most commonly used operators, MOVE. The MOVE operator simply copies a value from one variable to another. It does not modify the original value. It only creates a copy. For example, suppose we have a temperature sensor reading of 22.5 degrees Celsius stored in one variable. Using the MOVE operator, we can copy that value into another variable that is displayed on the HMI or used elsewhere in the program. If the sensor value changes later, executing the MOVE instruction again updates the destination variable. The MOVE operator is commonly used to copy sensor values, transfer set points, initialize variables, pass data between function blocks. Although it is a very simple instruction, it is one of the most frequently used operators in PLC programming. Next is the ADR operator. ADR stands for address of. Instead of returning the value stored in a variable, ADR returns the memory address where that variable is located. Think of it like a house address. The value is the person living inside the house. ADR gives you the address of the house itself. This operator is mainly used together with pointers and advanced libraries. For example, if a communication library needs the address of a data buffer instead of the actual data, ADR provides that address. For most beginner PLC projects, you will rarely need to use ADR. However, it becomes very useful when working with advanced communication protocols or memory management. The next operator is REF, which stands for reference to. A reference allows another variable to access the same data without creating a copy. Unlike MOVE, which copies a value, REF creates another way to access the original variable. Imagine two labels attached to the same storage box. Both labels point to the exact same object. If the value changes, both references immediately see the updated value. References help reduce unnecessary data copying and improve program efficiency. They're commonly used in large projects and reusable function blocks. Now let's look at SIZEOF. The SIZEOF operator returns the amount of memory occupied by a data type or variable. The result is usually expressed in bytes. For example, an int variable typically occupies 2 bytes. A dint occupies 4 bytes. A real also occupies 4 bytes. Knowing the memory size is especially useful when exchanging data through communication protocols such as Modbus, Ethernet, or when creating memory buffers. Most basic PLC applications won't require SIZEOF, but it becomes valuable in advanced programming and communication projects. Next is the JMP, or jump, operator. The JMP operator changes the normal execution sequence of the PLC program. Instead of executing every instruction in order, JMP allows the program to skip directly to another location. The jump can also be conditional. For example, suppose the machine is in emergency stop mode. Instead of executing the rest of the control logic, the program can immediately jump to a safe section of code. This helps simplify certain programming situations. However, JMP should be used carefully. Excessive jumping can make a PLC program difficult to understand and troubleshoot. For that reason, structured programming techniques are generally preferred whenever possible. The next operator is RET, which stands for return. RET immediately exits the current function block, or program section. It is commonly used when a condition indicates that no further processing is required. For example, suppose a function checks whether a sensor is connected. If communication fails, the function can execute a RET instruction immediately. The remaining code is skipped, saving execution time and preventing unnecessary calculations. Like JMP, RET can also be used conditionally. The final operator is IMOVE. According to the standard library, IMOVE is used for query interface operations. Unlike the standard MOVE instruction, IMOVE is designed for advanced object-oriented programming features within the IEC 61131-3 environment. Most HVAC and refrigeration applications do not require this operator. In everyday PLC programming, you'll always use the standard MOVE instruction.